Hey everyone, welcome back to English Story Days. Today's video is a little different and very close to my heart. Have you ever felt something but didn't say it? Have you ever sat in silence and felt like the world was finally quiet enough for you to breathe? Yes, sometimes silence can be more powerful than a thousand words. And today I want to tell you a story about that. It's a story of a girl who said nothing but told the world everything. And as we go through this story, I will also share 20 powerful English sentences that you can learn and use in your daily life. Her name was Anaya, a sweet, careful girl who loved to talk. She would laugh, ask questions, tell jokes, always full of life. But one day, something changed. Her best friend moved away, her favorite teacher left the school, and to make it worse, she failed an exam she had worked really hard for. Everything hit her at once. And from that day, Anaya stopped talking. She didn't argue. She didn't cry. She just became quiet. She became silent. She didn't say a word. Her eyes spoke more than her mouth. People around her kept asking, "Why are you so quiet? Are you okay?" But Anaya just gave a small smile. No answer, no explanation. At first, I will be honest, everyone thought she was just sad. But days turned into weeks, and Anaya stayed silent. But you know what? In that silence, something powerful was growing. She started writing, she started reading more. She began listening to her own thoughts. I speak to myself in silence. My silence is my strength. Sometimes silence says everything. One day there was a school competition. Theme: The Power of Silence. Everyone prepared big speeches, loud performances, but Anaya walked up to the stage and stood quietly. 1 minute passed, 2 minutes passed, and she said nothing, not a word. The audience became uncomfortable, confused. And then Anaya took a deep breath and finally spoke. You just felt the power of silence. It was quiet but not empty. Silence has emotions too. The whole was silent, but this time out of respect. Then suddenly, applause, loud, emotional, powerful. Anaya had said so little, but touched so many hearts. My dear friends, what Anaya taught me, and maybe you too, is that silence is not weakness. Strong people are often silent. In silence, we grow. In silence, we listen. In silence, we heal. Sometimes you don't need to fight. You don't need to explain. You don't even need to speak. Let your silence speak for you. Even nature teaches us in silence. Let your silence be louder than your noise. So, friends, next time someone misunderstands you or life becomes noisy, remember Anaya. Choose silence not as a way to hide, but as a way to heal, grow, and speak your truth without saying a word. Tell me in the comments which line touched your heart the most today. Let's talk even in silence. And if the story made you feel something, please share it with someone who needs it. And Don't forget to subscribe to English Story Days, where every story has a lesson and every lesson helps you speak better English and feel more deeply. Take care and remember, silence is not empty, it's full of answers. Thank you so much for watching.